Hello everyone. Today, I will show you why learning organizational behavior is useful for us. The study of organizational behavior is crucial for both individuals and organizations as it provides a framework for understanding and managing human behavior in professional settings. The relevance of OB to individuals lies in its ability to enhance personal effectiveness and career development. For individuals, knowledge of OB is valuable in navigating the complexity of workplace dynamics. By understanding key concepts such as motivation, leadership, communication, and team dynamics, individuals can develop essential skills that enhance their professional growth. These skills not only improve individual job satisfaction and performance, but also contribute to career advancement. OB contributes to employee well-being by addressing factors such as job design, work-life balance, and organizational support. For example, theories of job satisfaction such as job characteristics model emphasize the importance of designing jobs that provide meaningful work, autonomy, and opportunities for skill development. These elements are critical for enhancing job satisfaction and reducing burnout and turnover. The relationship between employee well-being and job performance is well documented, with studies showing that satisfied and engaged employees are more productive, innovative, and committed to their organizations. For organizations, OB contributes to improving overall performance, fostering a positive work environment, and achieving strategic goals. Organizations that apply OB principles can create environments that motivate employees, enhance job satisfaction, and reduce turnover. Studies have shown that organizational practices grounded in OB theories, such as goal setting, performance appraisals, and employee recognition programs, aligns employee efforts with organizational objectives and enhances overall efficiency. Moreover, OB research highlights the importance of leadership in shaping organizational climate and influencing employee well-being. Transformational leadership, characterized by inspiring and motivating employees towards a shared vision, has been shown to have a positive impact on employee satisfaction and performance. Leaders who practice empathy, provide support, and foster open communication contribute to a positive organizational culture that promotes psychological safety and employee well-being. The impact of OB extends to the development of fair and just organizational practices. Concepts such as organizational justice, which include distributive, procedural, and interactional justice, are crucial for fostering a sense of fairness and equity within the workplace. Research by Colquitt et al. Demonstrates that perceptions of fairness are strongly correlated with employee attitudes and behaviors, including job satisfaction, organizational commitment, and trust in management. Ensuring that employees perceive organizational processes as fair enhances their engagement and reduces negative outcomes such as resentment and withdrawal behaviors. OB also addresses the significance of diversity and inclusion in the workplace. By promoting an understanding of diverse perspectives and fostering an inclusive culture, organizations can enhance creativity, problem-solving, and decision-making capabilities. However, we need expert knowledge to effectively manage diverse workforce because diverse perspectives sometimes lead to intra-group conflict. Understanding and managing diversity through inclusive practices not only enhances creativity and problem solving, but also mitigates conflicts arising from cultural misunderstandings. As organizations operate in increasingly globalized environments, the ability to manage a diverse workforce becomes essential for sustaining competitive advantage. In summary, The study of organizational behavior is relevant to both individuals and organizations due to its comprehensive approach to understanding and managing human behavior in professional settings. For individuals, OB enhances personal and professional development, while for organizations, it improves performance, fosters a positive work environment, and supports strategic objectives. The application of OB principles is fundamental to creating thriving, dynamic, and inclusive workplaces that can adapt to the evolving demands of the modern business landscape.